The Silentsystem 10-channel SX-858 headphones blend a discreet and professional design with advanced and widely usable technology. They are equipped with simple and essential controls, which we've summarized for you in this video tutorial. Move the button on the back of the left ear cup to turn the device on and off. On the right ear cup, manage the push-button selector for the 10 different reception channels, displayed on the numeric display and distinguishable by the LED lights. Adjust the volume independently with the potentiometer lever for a personalized and always pleasant listening experience. The SX-858 headphones are ideal for a wide range of applications, including conferences and meetings, translations and guided tours, education and teaching, cinema, and concerts.